Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the latest change to Etsy Shop's reviews. I don't know if too many people have noticed this or not, but I wanted to make a video about it and also talk a little bit more about the ODR. So if you want to learn more about this new change, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So a couple days ago, I noticed that now Etsy is putting everyone's reviews right up here. As you guys can see, is right up here, right underneath your actual Etsy store. Now, prior to this change, for potential customers to view your shop reviews, they had to scroll down to the review section, which is like down here. So it seems like the ODR, which is the order dissatisfaction rate, is not going anywhere. I heard a couple people talk about it, that it probably wasn't going to last for too long and Etsy was going to remove it, but it looks like they're taking it very serious also by having it up here now. So many sellers, it seems like many sellers also are feeling obligated to start asking for reviews in order to improve their ODR before the deadline. I personally don't like to ask for reviews. Usually if I get one, great. But if I don't solicit for one. So I haven't done that in the shops that I have been affected by the ODR. I'm just waiting to see what happens, to be quite honest. What are your thoughts behind this, guys? Do you care if the reviews is up here? Do you not care if it's up here? What do you think about the ODR and ways to improve your ODR? What are some things that you're doing currently that maybe I could learn from? And do you plan to potentially move to a new platform? Do you plan to potentially leave Etsy and go elsewhere, right? That's something that many people are starting to do, whether they're going to Shopify or starting their own website. So give me your thoughts below. I would like to learn a little bit more about what you guys are doing to handle the new changes. And I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching again.